he was a family man, so surely I would never ever go through it firsthand. Emulate all my shit my mother hated. I can't help but demonstrate my Freudian fate. My alibi for taking your guy. History repeats itself, it fails to die. And the animal aggression is my downfall. I don't care about what you got, I want it all. 'Cause it's bricked up in my head, it's shoved under my bed, and I question myself again. What is it about men? See, my destructive side has grown a mile wide, and I question myself again. What is it about men? What is it about men? Rok Šinkovec. It's rigged up in my head, it's shoved under my bed, and I question myself again. What is it about man? See, my destructive side has grown a mile wide, yeah, and I question myself again. What is it about man? What is it about? Ugo. Z vami, hvala, da ste z nami. Hvala Festival Bled za povabilo. Hvala. Evo, da bo zgodba popolna, še naše rifante vabim. Ja, tale festival je ful čaroben, ne? To že 30 let je tako čaroben, da so se mi kar štikli zlomili danes. Tako da lej, whatever, vse smo na Bledu. Love is a losing game. Five-story fire as you came. Love is a losing game. One I wish I never played. Oh, what a mess we made. And now the final frame. Love is a losing game. Played out by the band. Love is a losing hand. Quite more than I could stand. Love is a losing hand. Over futile lives, and we were left dead by the gods. I know you're a gambling man. Oh, but love is a losing hand. Thought I bet I'm blind. Love is a fate resigned. Memories, oh memories, they always on my mind. Love is a faith resigned. Oh, the future lost. And we were always left there by the gods. I know you're a gambling man. But love is a losing hand. Love is a losing game. Love is a losing game. It should never be a game. Se mi to vemo tukaj. Malo smo se odločili, da bomo potovali od njenih začetkov do njenih prvencev, no, tako da se bo razvijala zgodba po njeno. You sent me flying. you outsiders. Yeah, in my video. While I was thinking you didn't have a clue. And it's tough to sort files with your voice in my head. So then I bribed you downstairs with a Marlboro Red. And now I feel so small discovering in you just how much more torture would you have put me through. You probably saw me laughing at all your jokes, or how I did not mind when you stole all my smoke. And although my pride, it's not easy to disturb it. Now you send me flying when you kick me to the curb. Now with your better jeans, yeah, and your beastie steel. Now I can work like this, no, with you next to me. And although he is nothing, yeah, in the scheme of my years, it just serves to plug down my future tears. And I'm not used to this, no. I observe you, I don't chase. So now I'm stuck with consequences rush in my veins. And the melodramas of my day delivery blows that surpass your rejection, it just goes to show. And it's a simple attraction that reflects right back at me. So I'm not as into you as I appear to be. Yeah, and all of my pride, it's not easy to disturb. Yeah. Now you send me flying when you kick me into the curb. Whoa, now with your better dream and your beastie steel. It was brutal, but the delivery was kind. Oh, and maybe if I get this down, I'll get it off my mind. Get off my mind, yeah. And it's such to condition me as more than my kings, yeah. Despite my frustration for the way that you think, yeah. Because I know the way he thinks, and I knew the truth when it came would be to that effect. At least you're attracted to me, which I did not expect. Yeah, I think you get my number down in such. You know I never hated myself. Oh, my hate so much. And all of my pride, it's not easy to disturb. Yeah. Django. Hvala lepa. Zdaj pa eno za Gašper. Me je tako bila vedno posebna in ni marala normalnosti. No, to je ta pesem. When you walk in the bar and you're dressed like a star, rocking your F-me pumps, and the man notices you and your Gucci back room can tell who he's looking to. 'Cause you all look the same, everyone knows your name, and that's your whole claim to fame. Never miss a night, 'cause your dream in life is to be a footballer's wife. You don't like players, that's what you say, but you really wouldn't mind a millionaire. Oh, them big ballers don't do nothing for ya, but you love a rich man 6'2". Atala, you're more than a fan, looking for a man, but you end up with one night stand. It could be your whole life if you got past one night, but that part never goes right. So in the morning you're vexed, he's on to the next, and you didn't even get no taste. Don't be too upset if they call you a skank, 'cause like the news every day you get pressed. You don't like players, that's what you say, but you really wouldn't mind a millionaire. Oh, them big ballers don't do nothing for ya, but you love a rich man 6'2". I'll tell her, oh, you can't sit down right, 'cause your jeans are too tight, and you're lucky it's ladies' night. With your big empty purse, every week it gets worse, at least your breast scars more than hers. So you did Miami, 'cause you got there for free, and somehow you missed the plane. You did too much eat, you met somebody else, spent the night, yeah. With all girls like you, there'll be no fun. We go to the club and not see anyone. With all girls like you, there's no nightlights. All those men just go home to their wives. Oh, don't be mad at me, 'cause you're pushing 30. Oh, I'm way beyond that already. You should have known from the jump that you'll always get done. So just stop your fuck me bumps. Vse fake enkrat zgine, a ne? Duša je važna, ljubezen. Duša, svetloba.
In moč.
Zdaj pa za moške pi, ne? Mislim, da se spodobi, da še nekaj povemo. Jaz sem baby, moramo držati skupaj. Vi pa držite skupaj.
Maja se samo
Vsi smo eno. Kaj?
Maja se samo cenzurira, ker je na televiziji.
A ja, to pa je tako. Ja, seveda. To imam že, a veš, že ugovorjeno. Včasih sem pa tudi spodobna lahko. You should be stronger than me. Yeah, you've been here 7 years longer than me. And don't you know you're supposed to be the man? comparison to who you think I am. I always wanna talk you through. I don't care. I always have to comfort you when I'm there. So why don't you just stroke my hair? See, I've forgotten all your love, joy, and I feel like a lady and you're a lady boy. You should be stronger than me, but instead you're longer than frozen turkey. Why'd you always put me in control when all I need is for my man to live up to his role? I always wanna talk it through. I'm okay. I always have to comfort you every day. So tell me now, are you gay? So I've forgotten all your love, joy, and I feel like a lady and you're a lady boy. He said the respect I made you earn, and though you had so many lessons to learn, I said you don't know what love is. Get a grip, 'cause it sounds as if I'm reading from some other tired script. I'm not gonna meet your mama anytime, but I just wanna rip your body over mine. So tell me now, why do you think that's a crime? See, I've forgotten all your love, joy, and I feel like a lady and you're a lady boy. You should be stronger than me. You should be stronger than me. Oh, you should be stronger than me. Oh, you should be stronger than me. Domen Gracej. Gracious Domen, gracious. You tell him. Drug drugega, ne? Moramo filat. Bravo, Domen Gracej. Mr. Magic je naslednja. Every day I hear you, my hands were made for you. Without you, I'm misery. Blue without my green. And all the songs sounds better when you're next to me, because they come naturally. Mr. Magic, take a token, Mr. Magic. Oh my love, Mr. Magic, yeah, yeah. I see you through the small. Žiga Fabbro, Mr. Magic, take a token, Mr. Magic. Oh my love, Mr. Magic, yeah, yeah. I'll see you through the smoke. Laying on my bed, I reach over for you, and you're so fresh, you even made the standards new. But it's just to get you through, Mr. Magic. Take a token, Mr. Magic, of my love, Mr. Magic. I see you through the smoke. I see you through the smoke. I see you, I see you. Whoa. I see you through the smoke. I see you through the crowd of people, just you. Zdaj pa ena božična ločitvena. Tako. Nikoli se je zgodilo za božič, ko je moral spakirati. Your neighbors were screaming. See, I don't have a key for downstairs, so I punched all the buzzers, just hoping you wouldn't be there. And now my hand's hurting. You always say I always get my own way, but you were in the shower when I got there, and I'd have wanted to stay, but I've got nothing to say. You were so beautiful before today, but then I heard what you say. Man, that was ugly. The machine of brown you bought me last Christmas. Put it in a box, put it in a box. Frank's in there, and I don't care. Put it in a box, put it in a box. Just take it, take the box, take the box. I came home this evening, and nothing felt like how it should be. I felt like writing you a letter, but that's just not me. You know me and I feel so angry, and I don't want to be reminded of you. So when I left my shit in your kitchen, I say goodbye to your bedroom and smell of you. I miss the false pretense, you don't make sense. I just don't know you, well, but you made me cry. Where's my kiss goodbye? I think I love you. The machine of rock you bought me last Christmas. Put it in the box, put it in the box. Frank's in there, but I don't care. Put it in the box, put it in the box. Just take it, take the box. Whoa, just take it, take the box. Whoa, just take it, take the box. Take the box.
Hvala lepa.
In še to sem vrnila, vidiš. Hvala lepa. Ko nekoga ljubiš, si tam no matter what. To je ona vedela, ne? Tak. In to ubija in krepi, ne? Ljubezen. Unholy War is the next song. If my man was fighting some unholy war, I would be beside him, straight shook up behind him, with strength he didn't know. It's you I'm fighting for. He can't lose with me in tow, so I refuse to let him go. Right at his side, and drunk on pride, we wait for the blow. I put it in writing, and who you dying for? Just us on the kitchen floor, reciting my stomach standing still. Oh, like you're reading my will. He still stands in spite of what his scars say. And I wait for this bitter finale. Just me, my dignity, and his old guitar case. If my man was fighting some unholy war, I would be beside him. When who you're dying for? Man, I would have died too. Yeah, and I would have liked to if my man was fighting some unholy war. Whoa, if my man was fighting. 4 stebre držimo, ne? Najlepša hvala za ljubezen. Je kdo kle na dopustu? Is there anyone on holiday here? Welcome, welcome. Nice place to visit and thank you also for joining us today. October song. Pojemo, da bo tako lepo vreme, kot je bilo, kot bo jutri, tudi oktobra. Nas je malo zbrali, zato je vse dobro. Today, my bird flew away and gone to find her big blue jay. Starlight, before she took flight, I sang a lullaby of Berlin every night. I sang a lullaby every night. I sang for my ever, every night. Ever was my morning, now she's gone. She's reborn like Sarah. And in the sanctuary she has found birds around. Sweet sound, ever flies in paradise. Oh, never flies in paradise. With red, I woke in my bed. You shooting veins up in my head. Love bird, my beautiful bird. She spoke until one day she couldn't be heard. She spoke until one day she couldn't be heard. So she just stopped singing. Ever was my morning, now she's gone. She's reborn like Sarah. And in the sanctuary she has found birds around. Sweet sound, ever flies in paradise. Whoa, and ever flies in paradise. Žiga Fabbro. Oh, ever was my morning, now she's gone. She's reborn like Sarah. And in the sanctuary she has found birds around. Sweet sound. Bravo, fantje. Lahko jaz sam malo poboža, ne?
Točno to.
To je vse, kar dovoli. Kaj ti srce je drugje. To je ta life, ne? Organi so na
Organi
mestu.
pregona.
O tem bi se dalo razglabljati. Če so pregon, kakšne hude rdečelaske, ni panike. We can only hold on for so long. The What's inside never dies. Even if she's counted in his word, and she's played with urgency, still searching kisses the man she misses, the man that he longs to be. No, but how can he ever hide when it got out wrong? So he tries to pacify her. What's inside never dies. So he tries to pacify her. What's inside never dies. So he tries to pacify her. What's inside never dies. Anyone else? In Ugo. So he tries to pacify her. What's inside never dies. Najlepša hvala. Šminko imam zdaj še povsod po mojem. Naslednjo lahko pojemo skupaj. Bolj poznamo vsi. morda.
Katero verzijo?
Ain't no mountain high enough. All I can ever be to you is the darkness that we knew, and this regret I got accustomed to. Once it was so right when we were at our height, waiting for you in the hotel at night. I know I haven't met my match, every moment we could snatch. I don't know why I got so attached. It's my responsibility. You don't owe nothing to me, but to walk away I have no capacity. He walks away, the sun goes down. He takes the day, but I am grown. And in your way, in this blue shade, my tears dry on their own. See, I don't understand, why do I stress a man when there's so many bigger things at hand? We could have never had it all, we had to hit a wall. So this is inevitable, we draw. Even if I stop wanting you, a perspective pushes through. I'll be some next man's other woman's too. I should blame myself again, should have been my own best friend. I'd fuck myself in hell with stupid man. He walks away, the sun goes down. He takes the day, but I am gone. And in your way, in this blue shade, my tears dry on their own. So we are history, your shadow covers me, the sky above the blaze. He walks away, the sun goes down. He takes the day, but I am gone. And in your way, in this blue shade, my tears dry on their own. I wish I could sing no regrets, no emotional depths. And as we kiss goodbye, the sun sets. So we are history, your shadow covers me, the sky above a blaze and only lovers see. Oh, he walks away, the sun goes down, he takes the day, but I am gone. And in your way, in this blue shade, my tears dry on their own. He walks away, the sun goes down, he takes the day, but I am gone. And in your way, in this blue shade, my tears dry on their own. Ooh, sha-la-la, ooh, sha-la-la, ooh, sha-la-la, tears dry on their own. He walks away, the sun goes down, he takes the day, but I am gone. And in your way, in this blue shade, my tears dry on their own. Trpnjame tam po ulicah, kako šetka.
Prepelice se te mi suče. To vejo na Gorenskem, ker pomate.
Dajte mi zapet, če znate. Zdaj ne bo tako. Doma malo spil na zdravje, a nimate nič? Jarnej.
No, parket.
Zdaj pa jaz malo dirigiram.
Pokaži nam. Stop.
Nobody stands in between me and my man. It's me and Mr. Jones. Me and Mr. Jones. What kind of fuckery is this? You made me Mr. Slicker again. You thought I didn't love you. Well, I did. Can't believe you played me out like that. No, you ain't no worth guestless, no, no. Plus one of all them girls you kiss. Oh, damn girl. You can't keep lying to yourself, to yourself. Can't believe you play yourself like that. Well, that's one man, but come Brixton, nobody stands in between me and my man, 'cause it's me and Mr. Jones. Me and Mr. Jones. What kind of fucker are we? Aside from Sammy, I'm my best friend. Well, I could let you make it up to me. Make it up. Who is playing on Monday? What kind of fucker are we? South from Sammy, you're my best black Jew. Well, I could swear that we were through. We were through. I still wonder about the things you do. Mr. Destiny, 9 and 14, and nobody stands in between me and my man, 'cause it's me and Mr. Jones. Whoa, Jazz love, jazz love. When will we get the time to be just friends? With some people, it's just impossible.
You just can't get.
Too much love.
which is the way he wants.
Just friends. When will we get the time to be just friends, just friends? I know I'll never be ashamed, but the guilt will kill you if she don't first. I'll never love you like her. Not in the morning when you were drinking and everybody's sleeping. I've been thinking, can we be alone? Can we be alone? When will we get the time to be just friends, just friends? When will we get the time to be just friends, just friends? And no, I'm not ashamed, but the guilt will kill ya if she don't first. I'll never love you like her. And though we need to find a time to just do this shit together before it gets worse, I don't wanna touch you, but that just hurts. When will we get the time to be just friends, just friends? Oh, when will we get the time to be just friends, just friends? Koliko bomo stari, ko nam bomo mogli več. Pa se šele domišljija začne. Some people are addicted to love, some people are addicted to something else. We all have an addiction, or 7 of them. Boyfriend, next time he around, to buy his own weed and don't wear my shit down. I wouldn't care if it would leave me some more. I'd rather him leave you than leave in my drawer. When you smoke all my weed, man, yeah, you got to call the green man. Yeah, so I can get my get by. So bring me a bag and your man can come back. I'll check him at the door, make sure he got green. I'm tired of that airport security team. When you smoke all my weed, man, oh, you got to call the green man. So I can get mine, get mine, and you get yours. Rastafari. There's more than anything dead. Yeah, yeah. I give you mine, get mine, and you get yours. So I give you mine, and you get
yours. Roll it on.
Tako da drugič kar pokličite, pa nešta, ni panike, sprejmemo. But love is always enough. Whoa. Cupid, baby, it's all that matters. Drop back your ball and let your hair flow straight to my lover's heart. For me, for nobody but me. Cupid, just hear my prayer and let your hair flow straight to my love's heart for me. I don't want to bother you, but I'm in distress. I'm at risk of losing all my happiness. I love a man who doesn't know I exist. So Cupid, this you can't fix. Cupid, drop back your ball and let your hair flow straight to my lover's heart. For me, for nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your hair flow straight to my lover's heart for me. Now if your embrace is not strong for me, I swear I'm gonna love him till eternity. I know between the both of us is why you can still. So Cupid, help me if you will. Whoa, Cupid, draw back your ball and it will flow straight to my lover's heart for me. But no, Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow fly straight to my lover's heart for me. Oh, my sweet Cupid. Oh, my Cupid. My Cupid. A ste si zaželeli? Marsikateri že imate.
Se imamo vsi, samo v vseh oblikah. Duše so povsod. Sorodne. Rich girl! Le kaj se je zgodilo?
Obogožila je.
Ne, smo še zmer ropanja. I bought you a fur coat when you were 15. You wore it to the disco where everyone was in jeans. But you were a rich girl, only having fun. Your worn out dresses got stares from everyone. Hey, little rich girl, did it go wrong? You left for London when you were 19. Had to pawn all your nice clothes, still living on a dream. A man in a bright light took all that you owned. Now he's taking your freedom for a fake unknown. But you're just a rich girl, only having fun. Your little dresses got stares from everyone. Hey, little rich girl, did it go wrong?
Hey, little rich girl, you've been away for so long. And now, little rich girl, I came to sing you this song. Hey, little rich girl, my love for you is gone. And now, little rich girl, I know where you belong.
Rok Šinkovec! At your dad's office party, all the movies were blue. You caused him so much heartache because the film star was you. You left for London when you were 19. Had to pawn all your nice clothes just to live up in a dream. No, 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 you were a rich girl, only having fun. Your little dresses got stares from everyone. Hey, little rich girl, where did it go wrong? Oh, hey, little rich girl, where did it go wrong? Ni vse blišč, ne? Hvala lepa. Upam, da se kdo nauči iz te pesmi. Rožice!
Živijo.
Ja, hvala lepa. Je čudovito, hvala. Hvala lepa. Lej to, ja, lej to. Kako redko moški dobite cvetje. A se to zavedate?
Samo v takih
Moški
trenutkih,
dobivajo
Maja,
cvetje.
Samo v takih trenutkih se tega zavedamo.
Sej to je point.
Hvala.
Najlepša hvala.
V glasbi dodamo malo barv.
Tako. Zdaj pa ženska, zaradi katere smo vsi danes tukaj. Our soul sister. Attracts me till it hurts to concentrate, distract me stop me doing work I hate, just to show him how it feels. I walk past his desk and hears one leg resting on the chair. From the side he pulls my hair.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
Oh no, I've been here before, yeah.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
You're just too hard to ignore. Mescaline, you spin a spell. I know you'd wear me well.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
Where's my moral parallel? It takes me half an hour to write a verse. He makes me imagine it from bad to worse. I underwear picks out the time. I let you know where you should start. From the picture my mind drew, I know I look good on you.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
Oh no, I've been here before, yeah.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
You're just too hard to ignore. Masculine, you spin a spell. I know you very well.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
Where's my moral parallel? His own style, right onto his diesel G's immobile. I can think by any means. Underwear picks out the top. I let you know where you should start. From the picture my mind drew, I know I look good on you.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
Oh no, I've been here before.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
You're just too hard. Masculine, you spin a spell. I know you everywhere.
Amy, Amy, Amy.
Where's my moral parallel? Energy you've used. All my lyrics go unused. When I mask black hair, blue eyes, I drift up, I fantasize. Although I've been here before, you're just too hard to ignore. Mescaline, you spin a spell. I know you everywhere. Where's my moral parallel? Although I've been here before, you're just too hard to ignore. I know you everywhere. Where's my moral parallel? Treba je uživati. Se nobenemu ne škodimo. Pesem za Valerie. Bomo malo zapeli skupaj. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture, 'cause since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like the dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie. Did you have to go to jail? Or put your house in the up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch it. I hope you'll find the right man who fixes it for ya. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay that fine? Are you a dodging all the time? Are you still dizzy? Since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over? I go out by myself and I look across the water and I think of all the things what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture. 'Cause since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Oh, why don't you come on over, Valerie? Branko Mrak. Bravo direktor. Žiga Fabbro. Domen Gracej na trobenti. orkestra. Rok Šinkovec na klavirju, klaviatura in na vokalu. In Ugo Ugowsky na kitari. Se ljubita. Alen Bogataj, pridruži se na basicu. Pokaži jim, kako se ljubi. Gašper Peršl na bobnih danes z nami. Oh, my sweet Valerie, Cherry Wine z vami danes. Hvala lepa. Najlepša hvala. Čudoviti ste. Zdaj bi pa prosila, če se da malce zatemniti. Glej to, sploh nisem do konca stavka prišla. Še en komad za zaključek. Get on without my guy. You went back to what you knew, so far removed from all that we went through. And I tread a troubled track. My heart's are still. To Najlepša hvala. One just for you. If I ever leave you, baby, you would say, I told you so. And if I ever hurt you, I would hurt myself as well. No, no. Now, is there any way for a man to carry on? Do you think that I want my love on gone? I said I love you. Oh, then you'll ever know. Oh, then you'll ever know. I'm sure she thinks that. When I wasn't making too much money, you know where my paycheck went. I brought it home to you, baby. I never spent one word saying no, no. Now, is there any way for a man to carry on? Do you think that I want my love on? I said I love you. Oh, then you'll ever know. Oh, then you'll ever know. See, I'm not trying to beg just any kind of man, yeah, yeah. I'm just trying to be somebody you can love and trust, and I understand. Oh, I know, I know, I know. I believe I'm part of you, and no one else can see it. I gotta hear you say, it's alright. It's alright. I'm only flesh and blood. I can be anything that you demand. I can be king of everything, or just a tiny grain of sand. No, Naj bo ljubezen tista, ki se jo spomnite.
Ja, česa tazga pa še ne, no. Ta band ni pripravljen na take ekscese.
Ta band je ekscesen.
Da gremo kakšno od Metalike ali pa Nirvane ali kaj. Ne. Hvala.
Hvala vam za ljubezen še enkrat. Zdaj se vam priklonimo in skupaj lahko kaj morda popijemo.